In this tutorial, we will show you how to fusion splice two fiber optic strands together in an easy 11-step process. First, we are going to prep the fiber and strip off the outer jacket by nibbling it off in 30mm segments. Then, you're going to strip off the acrylate coating using the fiber stripper in a smooth perpendicular motion. Then, dab a lint-free wipe in fiber optic cleaning solution to wipe off the coating. Slide the wipe towards the end of the fiber once or twice until it squeaks. The squeak indicates the fiber is clean. Next, you're going to load the fiber into the cleaver unit. Open the two clamps on the cleaver and gently lay the fiber into the left side. Close the clamp to hold the fiber buffer in place. Make sure the fiber is straight, and then move the scribe wheel to the front of the cleaver. Gently close the right clamp to hold the fiber and push the block to the back to cut the fiber. Next, raise the splicer hood and release both fiber clamps. Lower the striped fiber into the V grooves and then close the holder cover. Then repeat the process with the other fiber strand, but do not forget to slide on the protective sleeve first. So, cut back the outer jacket, strip the acrylate coating, and clean the fiber with the lint-free wipe. Close the lid and check for accuracy. Hit the set button once, and if there is a cleave error, repeat the process. If accuracy is achieved, hit the set button again, and the splice will be complete. Open up both clamp-style fiber holders and slide the protection sleeve up in between both fibers to cover the exposed fusion splice. Put the sleeve in the protection sleeve heater, close the lid, and the sleeve will set automatically. This will take about 30 seconds. Once the unit beeps to indicate it is complete, move the fiber to the cooling tray, and you're done.